The lines of communication routine is a whole group conversational practice routine. It uses the vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structures that students learned in the chapter.
It's the lines of communication. Now, our signal for that was like this. Go like this. Go lines of. And then your hands are going to be kind of like puppets talking. Communication. Which is a fancy way of saying talking. So let's do it again. Ready? Lines of communication. I'm going to pretend that I'm on the white line and you're on the blue line, and you're going to get to go first today. And you're going to introduce your character, your puppet. Ready?
Hello, my name is Princess Peach. I'm a hippo.
Nice to meet you, Princess Peach. Give it up for our model. Nice job, guys. Come on up and stand in front of a partner. Face each other shoulder to shoulder. If you don't have a partner, I'll find you one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, put your hand on their shoulder to make sure you know who you're with. Say hi, partner.
Hi, partner.
All right, we're going to let the blue line go first since the white line's going to move. You can let go of your hands. Everyone has their partner. And remember, we're going to introduce our puppet. Tell them what it is. I'm a, and then nice to meet you. It's kind of fun to say. Blue line, you ready? Introduce your puppet. You go first. Say thank you.
Thank you.
I'm going to have this little girl right here, what's a cute rabbit, go all the way to the end, and everyone else just scoots over to a new partner.
The white line is designated as the line that moves. The first student in the line moves to the back of the line, and the rest of the students move one space to the left. The blue line does not move.
Say hi.
Hi.
Ready, go. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Guess what, buddy? You're going down to the end of the disco line. Everyone else is scooting over. Scoot, scoot. Ready, go.
Hello, my name is Princess Peach, and I'm a hippo.
Hey guys, say thank you to your partner.